Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to set the Hinge algorithm to get more matches. So make it sure to watch it until the end. There's might be a key tip you really need to know. So without further ado, let's get started. So Hinge doesn't have a reset button, but there is a real way to refresh your profile and signal the algorithm to show you to more people. So the first step is to delete and recreate your account. Go to settings, scroll down and tap delete account. Wait a few minutes, then create a new account with a new email or phone number. And just a warning, you will lose your matches, chat, and profile. Another way is to post and refresh your profile. Tap your profile icon and go to settings and pause account. Leave it post for 24 to 48 hours. Then come back and make changes. Alright, so maybe upload 2 or 3 new photos. Rewrite your prompts, make them more open or playful. Update your jobs, school, or location info. And another thing is, the more real activity, the better the algorithm understand what you want and who to show you to. Alright, so that's it. You can fully reset the Hinge algorithm with one tap. But with this step, you can refresh your profile and get seen more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.